Mr. Wells.
Mr. Wells.
Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells is a Barra.
Yeah, I'm on. On. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. There's probably like a meter eater sitting right there.
Here you go, Levi's teacher, mate. This is what I'm fucking using. I mean, this is what I'm using, bud.
Yep.
Because,
You reckon we can cut this down all to 4 minutes? For sure.
Yeah,
Okay, we're recording. We walked past and we found this great snag. Beautiful spot. Dan was too much of a pussy to come down with me.
That, mate. I got no shit. I want to walk through all fucking prickles.
It's not prickles, mate. They're like reeds. There is a bit of a cliff, so, and this is nothing but legal activities. Topwater frog. I'm gonna throw. I'm about to slide into this fucking creek.
What? I'm not taking one for the team when the team's already got one.
She's not fat. Oh, come on. Fuck. That's nice, Barra. I gotta fucking. Yeah, I got that on camera. Holy shit, that was nice. I told you this spot would be producing. Oh, fuck. It's hard to get under these plants. My backhand is not that good. Oh, what a cast. Keep doing those ones. On? What? You got one? Yeah. Come here. Oh, fuck. My rod snagged. I'm coming. Oh. I'll bring it over. No, I'm here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Nice sooty.
Here's my closet. Take the extra camera. Oh, look at that.
Barely even hooked. They got teeth.
Little ones. Alright, mate.
He'd be at what, 30 almost? 20?
Nah. Probably like 20 or something.
25.
Yeah, a little sooty.
Beautiful.
Look at the lure comparison. Same size. It's a nice little fish you get up here.
Do a backflip.
Nah.
Backflip release.
No chance.
Oi, come help me unsnag myself. Beautiful.
That was the top of the lure, I think.
Was it? Oh, it's right there. He must have come up. That bloke must have come fishing when it was like just after it flooded. Because that would have been high for him not to grab that. Bit of a heavy sinker on this thing, eh?
Yeah, my thing's fucking sinking fast as fuck.
Oh.
I'm surprised the fucking sooty ate it from Nasci. Thought it was a barrel, I was praying for a barrel. Yep.
Barra.
Good back.
Fuck me, you can't.
He's put me right in there.
No, you're right.
He's got me over the fucking damn here. Yep, I'm out.
Bring him in. Do you want me to land him?
Don't worry right now. I was thinking out of here. I'm gonna need you to land him, yeah. You got the camera on?
Yeah. Yeah, it's recording.
No. Yeah. Oh no.
He's turned. Oh, he's wrapped you. Oh, he's wrapping you around that fucking stick, cunt.
I'm gonna open the bail arm. Open the bail arm. He's gonna try and
Do you want me to unwrap him?
Don't go in there. You're trying to untangle him, see?
He's just
How many times am I fucking wrapped?
You're like wrapped twice. At least. I watched him go around twice.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, Chuck, you want us to hold it?
especially after that commotion. It's gonna break me. It's gonna break me.
No, it's not. No, it's not. You can unwrap him. You can unwrap him.
Bro, no way.
These fish are eating my legs. But come here and unwrap it like that.
Here, get him away. We'll
Yes.
trade spots.
Here, go down.
Oh, mate. Stop, stop.
Here, let me go under you.
Here, hold the rod. You might be able to get the chance of unwrapping in there.
Are we recording? We're recording.
What's your teacher's name again?
Mr. Wells.
There
Mr.
you go,
Wells.
Mr. Wells. That's a Barra up in FNQ, mate.
Yeah.
I hope he swims off well.
I mean, he's been wrapped up for a little while. He might take a sec. I wonder if he comes back for round 2 on my lure this time.
Oh, fuck, I'm gonna fall. God. Do you want to swim?
He's swim. Beautiful. Yeah. Do I come over? Coming over with the pliers. You land it? Ooh. Yeah, you got it.
Fucking go, Mr. Wells. Ah!
And he lost him. No, get him, get him, get him.
Don't cut my brake. I screamed because he put a treble in my finger. I felt it.
Yeah, flies. There we go.
Good, mate. Oh, yeah.
Watch out for my treble there. Swim away.
Good.
I think he's wrapped me. He's out, he's out. Oh, that's a big sooty.
It's a good sooty.
It's a great sooty. Oh, that's a big sooty. Oh, get down there. Is it recording? I think it's recording, Cam. That's a pretty big sooty, eh?
That's a good sooty, though. Oh, he's prickling. No, no, no.
Fucking don't lose him, don't lose him. Is he hooked good?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
No, step on the phone.
Oh, fuck.
She's recording.
Oh.
There you go. That's a good fish right there. That's a good. Did you show Mr. Waller?
Oh, Mr. Wells. I think it's still recording.
Yeah, it is. 35. That's edible, but you'll release him.
What's he? Is he 35 exactly?
Yeah.
35 and a half.
35 and a half, 36.
Best sooty. That's my PB sooty right now. Get a catch and release. Oh, film the release. Double phone.
My biggest 347.
Oh, nice, bro. This is a chonker. Look how fat he is. Look at the vertical on that. Oh, we'll jump out down in the water with him. I just sunk.
Right, mate, there we go.
Yeah. Just chuck it back. Oh. claws are eating me. Oh, on Denver. Denver, I'm on. Small sooty, small sooty. Oh no. Oh, he got me. Fuck. Yeah, small.
Nice.
Spiked me.
He's micro. Hey. Got me a... Yeah, it's still recording.
Make sure it's on camera. Oh. It's got fucking whacked here. I'm gonna up my drag. We're back at the first spot. And you hear it break up on the bank there. Yeah, I'm on. On. Yeah. I think it's a big barra. Oh, he's peeling me. He's gonna take me into snags. Oh, he's peeling. Yeah, big barra. Nah, he's jumping. Oh, he's up. I've got him up. Oh! I got him airborne. That's a nice barra.
Oh yeah, that's a good barra.
He's still going. I can't get him up. He's yellow.
No, he'll be crying when he comes out.
Yeah, you grab him? Oh, he's barely hooked. I'll keep the treble away from you.
Open.
Yeah.
No. He's legal, Hank.
You want to keep him? You want to measure him? I'll take him over.
Yeah,
look how I had him hooked.
I know, that's so fucking lucky, bro.
In the cheek.
Do you want to hold him up, Treble, with the lure in his mouth?
Here, grab. Oh, yeah. Grab the rod, you reckon, for a sec?
Look his ale. Just don't let him jump back in the fucking water. Yeah, hold him that way.
Get him on GoPro.
Flip him the other way, flip him the other way.
I'm getting him mouth in GoPro.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Fucking.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay.
Give him a shake, like just shit, yep, nice and fins off. I'll get a photo. That's good, mate.
Hey. A little bit. Yeah. There you go, 60. Yeah, I'll take this chunk out too.
For the mum.
And that's for your fish. Yeah. How much you missed? That's sort of gone. Good. We're giving all the offcuts to his fish.